All right, so it looks like our swarm has come over here and is bearding right next to the original mother hive, as I'll call it. And look, a couple of them are inspecting the box and they're going in. So I've set my nuke here with 2 of the frames from their original hive and 1 blank frame. And it looks like they're gonna go in there. This is gonna be really good, hopefully.
And they're not fighting at the entrance.
Nope.
To the other hive. It's like, why would they choose a hive to swarm to?
Is this the hive they were formed? They formed from?
This is the hive that I cloned from. This was not a swarm in the top bar beehive. That was yeah. We did see eggs and brood in there. You can see this one right here is drinking up a little honey I spilled. And that one looks injured. Yeah, that one's not going to make it. Okay, so they're actively going inside the box. I don't see any wrestling, any fighting going on. I'm guessing the queen is right in the bottom of that, maybe even underneath where we left the board out. Peter was just leaving to go work with some more hives elsewhere, and he spotted this swarm happening from the top bar beehive. So, Marshall, did you bring an umbrella you can hold over me?
I didn't.
Darn it.
And I was going to.
There's one right by the front door. Inside the house. Yeah, just tell Judy what you're doing. So I'm really watching intently because I'm hoping to see a queen come out of this pile and go into that box. So I don't want to leave. And this is normally a situation where you don't worry about getting stung. I'm not wearing my gear because when they swarm, they very rarely sting anybody. However, since this is right next to another hive, the situation may become, how shall I say, unruly. It does have the potential for some unruliness. I'm going to try to get down a little bit lower here so I'm not in the flight path of the incoming bees coming back to the main hive here. I still haven't seen her at all. Thank you very much. Now if you could just shade me and not that, actually I can do it.
Okay.
Just so I want the sun to be on.
Oh, on them.
Them, sorry.
They don't, just on you.
Yeah. So I'm really just hoping to catch the